Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Monster Jam Monster Mutt Blastin Bones playset, and now we're gonna unbox. Hey guys, now we're gonna play with our Blastin Bones playset. Hey, go! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! Man! Now we have the road record version. Let's put the bones back. There, put the bones in. I'm gonna throw them in. See how much I need. Yeah, 0. Bang it every chance. Hey. Ah. Are you serious? Go. Brush it. Yeah, okay. Let's get all of them again. I want a car. Ah. Ah, please. Yes, please, these are bones. This is a bone. Doggy eat bones, not cat. And now we have Grave Digger. And that's gonna be the end of the video. I think I destroyed the set already. I threw the Grave Digger at the box, and I think that was our crush. And that's gonna be the end of our video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.